Hello students, good morning. Today we will speak about our solar system in the universe. Before we go through our lesson, let us have some idea about the universe through these pictures. You see your book, chapter 1. Harjit, Agatha, Satya and Jan are standing on their terrace and looking at the night sky. The sky is full of so many twinkling objects. The twinkling objects are called stars. I wonder where is their homes? Do they always stay in the sky? So, here some children are standing on the terrace and watching the night sky, and there are so many twinkling stars, and they are wondering whether they are really having their homes. So, here is a question for you. What do you see in the night sky? Have you seen anything in the sky? Yes. In the night sky, we see many stars and moon. So let us start our lesson. How is our universe made? Our universe is made with the various heavenly bodies such as sun, planets, and thousands of stars and moons. So, you see here already definition is given. The universe is a vast, endless space. It is very big one. We cannot imagine it. This space contains various heavenly bodies such as the sun, planets, thousands and thousands of stars and the moon. So, how did the universe begin? How the universe began? Number 1. First it started with thousands and thousands of years ago. The universe began as a tiny, hot, compact point. Years back, it was a very small, hot, compact point. Slowly, it began, then came to big explosion called the Big Bang. When the universe began to expand, much of the universe was made of gases. Gradually, as the gases expanded, they began to cool down as well. Slowly, it came to the explosion, and it became bigger and bigger, and slowly it got cooled down. Then, slowly, these gases and dust came together and formed galaxies, stars, planets and more. Slowly, those gases and dust came together and made a galaxy, stars, planets and many more. Then the matter that spread out after the Big Bang slowly took shape into everything that is there in the universe today, including us. Slowly, those big bangs took different shapes, and it it is including us, it is there in the universe. Many scientists use this theory to explain the creation of the universe. However, what caused the Big Bang in the first place remains a mystery. Means how it became, how the universe is made. That when we imagine, we think that it is a kind of mystery. There are some difficult words to know for you. Compact. When something is made smaller or firmer by pressing it. Explosion. Explosion is when something bursts with a lot of force and a loud noise. When it is something is broken. Or expand. To become more spread out and filled with more space. Expand means it is filled with it takes a lot of space to fill. Gas. Something such as air that is neither solid nor liquid. Means gas is neither solid nor liquid. It is a kind of gas that we cannot see it. Matter. The substance that everything is in the universe is made of. Whatever the substances are there, with what the universe is made is called matter.